Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at how to get really good prices on Microsoft Office products, Windows keys, and some other Steam games. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so recently I got an email from the people over at Premiumcdkeys.com, and they asked if I wanted to make a review video on their products. Now, first of all, when I seen it, it's like, oh, here we go, another company trying to sell cheap Windows licenses. So, first of all, I dismissed it. But then actually I thought, oh, maybe I'll take a look. Actually, I do need a Windows license, an Office license for a laptop. So, let's take a look and see what they can offer. So, I had a look on the site, and I've got to be honest with you, the prices were pretty fantastic. Now, recently, I've done some videos on how to get cheap Office keys off eBay and things like that. And although they work, generally, they don't last for a very long time. You do pay little money, you can often get it refunded, but it's just a pain in the ass. And also you have to end up using kind of weird usernames and passwords to actually activate the account. So what I wanted was an official product which I can actually register on the Microsoft site and is completely legit. So here we go into Premium CD Keys, and I actually mentioned it on a live stream, which you can check out from the video up here. One of the live stream members actually went on to Premium CD Keys and actually ordered a Windows license key, and true to their word, the key actually turned up in their email within a very, very short space of time. It was actually about a couple of minutes, something like that. So that got me thinking, this is actually a pretty good deal. So let's go to the computer and we'll have a closer look at the site, look at some of the prices, and look at how you go about ordering a key and how you would install it. Okay, so here we are. This is Premiumcdkeys.com. This is the website you're likely to see when you log into the site. Now, as you can see, they do various different things and there's all sorts of offers splashed around. So let's have a quick look around first of all. So first of all, really important for me is a support email address. That's always a plus. And over here on the right hand side, we've got a chat with us button, which again is something you really like to see. So should there be any problems, should you have any questions, you can just click on the button and you can start a conversation. And I find that actually really useful. I have actually done that. I'm not going to click on it now because of personal details, but I have actually asked them multiple questions and got very straight answers, and all the questions have been answered completely to my satisfaction. So these are questions like, do you get a genuine key? Is it a user account? Does it last forever? What are the drawbacks? Can I install it on multiple PCs? All those kind of questions that you've probably got. So if you have got those kind of questions, you can go ahead and have a chat with them. They are available 24/7 customer support. And also, if you have got any problems after the fact, then they also do a 7 days refund and replacement service. And also they will give you support as well should you have any issues setting up, all that kind of thing. So what do they actually do? So first of all, you've got Steam games. So they do random keys which you can buy. Personally, for myself, I'm not particularly interested in that. Sometimes you can get an absolute bargain and get a fantastic game for very, very little money. As you can see here, you're looking at €2.50, €1.99. The prices are in euros at the moment, but they do get transferred to your local currency during checkout. So Steam games, that may be a bit of a gambler for some people and they might be worth a go. You might get something special. But for me personally, software is where I'm at. So here we've got a Windows 10 Professional retail key. And I say it's a retail key, it's not an OEM. And that one's €2.73, or whatever they call the euros after the dollar, or whatever it is. Anyway, I'm digressing. So what you can see is essentially is great prices. So for me in the UK, that's going to equate to about £2.30, £2.40. This one is fantastic as well. Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 retail key. So this is the full install of Microsoft Office, and we have a quick look at that now. So you can see €8.50, and if you want to, you can pay with PayPal. So it's a completely secure system. Obviously, if you buy anything with PayPal, you have PayPal protection as well. You can actually use Bitcoin as well. So if Bitcoin's your thing, you can use your Bitcoins to purchase products. Here we have Office Professional Plus 2019 edition, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher, Access, and Skype for Business. Maybe Skype for Business is not everyone's cup of tea, but the rest of it is a fantastic product. I use Outlook pretty much all day, every day. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, those are the key ones that most of us are going to be ending up using. 5-star reviews, there's 3 people reviewed it already. It's looking good, actually looking good. For this kind of money, it is fantastic. Now I did ask them, is it a key or what happens, what's the deal? So what you do is place your order. on the email address that you've used, you'll get sent a confirmation email, first of all, then you'll get the actual key sent in your email. So this isn't a user account, this is a genuine key. All you need to do is go over to setup.office.com, which is here, so setup.office.com, and I've already logged in on my account because I actually have a Microsoft account, and all you do is enter your product key in the boxes provided. You then choose your region, choose your language, click next, and it will begin the installation. It couldn't be simpler, it really couldn't. There's no faffing around, you don't have to create new weird accounts which don't link to your own account. So once you've bought this, it is attached to your Microsoft account and will stay with your account. So there's no kind of losing the key or anything. This is the genuine real deal, which I think a lot of people kind of misunderstand how legit this actually is. So let's look at some of the pricing actually. So if you were to buy a normal product from the Microsoft website, so you see products.office.com, so if you're buying Office 365 for business, you'd be looking at $8.25 a month. Now that's already more pretty much than what we're paying straight off for the full product. That is insane. So if you're looking as a home user as well, for the Office 365 Home, well actually Personal is probably the more relevant one here because this is a single user license. So Office 365 Personal, $70, and that is just for a year. At the end of the year, you're gonna have to pay that over again with the version we're getting here from the guys over at Premiumcdkeys. This is Professional 2019, this is the one-shot deal, so you buy it once and that is it. It just carries on working up until the point where Microsoft pull the plug on the product altogether. But again, for €8.50, even if they pulled it after 2 years, 3 years, whatever, you're still going to be getting fantastic value for money. Now, talking of fantastic value for money, if you are looking to make a purchase here, then what you can do is you can actually use a discount code, which they provided me with. So you can either type in Mike's Unboxing 5, or if you can't remember all that, or it's too much to spell, or you've got a tiny little keyboard, you can just type in MU5, and that'll give you 5% discount off your purchase. And yeah, hopefully that goes a little way to help you guys save in some extra money. So there you go, Premiumcdkeys looks to be actually a fantastic site. Definitely worth bookmarking for the future. So if you are like me and you like tinkering PCs and you're building and reinstalling and all that kind of stuff, and you frequently get through CD keys for both Office and Microsoft Windows, definitely worth bookmarking. Keep it in your favorites, and when you want to go there, use the discount code to get things a little bit cheaper again. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been how to save a ton of money on your Microsoft products, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.